how to fix Messenger app not working on Samsung phone. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search Messenger app from here. You will see Messenger app is here. If you want to fix Messenger app not working problem, so click on storage. After click on storage, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, click on clear data. After the process, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so reinstall your Messenger app. After reinstall Messenger app, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Messenger app not working problem on Samsung phone. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.